Hello guys, welcome back to a new video on our channel, Official Money Pill. Have you ever daydreamed about being paid well to play with your phone all day? It appears that precisely what occurs when you learn how to make money off of TikTok. Every day, we witness the countless influencers who earn millions of dollars annually from their TikTok accounts. It's not a mystery either. Since its release in 2016, TikTok has expanded incredibly quickly. It is the first app not owned by Facebook to reach 3 billion installs. Today's video will feature excellent and easy tips and tricks that anyone can use on their TikTok accounts to generate lots of income. So let us get along. Step 1. Grab a free TikTok account. First, to start generating income from TikTok, you will definitely need an account. Even though you can view and like the content on TikTok without creating an account to post, comment, and earn, you cannot proceed without an account. So here's a quick guide on how to create a TikTok account. Number 1. Open TikTok on your phone. Number 2. Tap Me in the bottom right. Number 3. Tap your username at the top of the screen. Number 4. Tap Add Account. Number 5. Tap Use Phone or Email. Number 6. Tap Email at the top. Number 7. Enter your email address, then tap Next. Number 8. Enter a password for your TikTok account. Number 9. Enter your birth date, then tap Next. Number 10. Enter a username for your TikTok account, then tap Sign Up to make your new account. Step 2. Grab the tool EasyContactRobot.com. This is one of the most amazing tools if you don't have a more extensive network, or if you want to reach out to companies to help them with their TikTok videos but couldn't get clients, then this tool is for you indeed. This tool will mainly help you connect to people and companies looking for someone who can do their TikTok videos. Now, the more amazing thing is that all this reaching out process will take place on autopilot. So you will start this tool and scroll down to find the GSA website contact, and from there you will install and run the tool. And this is how it will appear to be. This very much resembles MS Excel, doesn't it? You will search here TikTok's outreach. Now you will have the choice of keywords to enter for which you are looking websites. This means that whatever TikToks you want to make, you will add the keywords according to that. In this way, you will be outreached by the websites that wanted TikTok videos on the niche you added the keywords for. Let's suppose you want to talk with plumbers. So you will type plumbers in place of keywords, and another keyword you are adding Arizona for location purposes. Now you will click OK and then the Start button. Now this tool will find all the websites that include the keywords plumber and Arizona that are actively present on Google. And there is also a high probability that you will also be able to scrape websites on MSN and places other than Google. So after getting a significant number of websites, you will click Stop. Step 3. Send messages to the gathered websites. After you are done with finding and making a list of a good amount of websites, you will now head a step further, and in this step you will be messaging the websites that this tool has provided you. So for sending the message, you will use the same tool. Go to the content and click Send a Message. You will then type down whatever message you aim to dispatch that particular website. You can offer them any of the services, but since this video focuses on TikTok videos, we will keep it to that. You can offer them a sample video by creating a video for their company, or just show them how good you are at creating TikTok videos by setting random samples and add a call to action at the end of your message like, "Let me know if you want to hire me to do TikTok videos for your company." Then you will go up to email because the message you are sending. If they come up with a response, this whole thing will be done in the email inbox. After creating this message, just click Send right away, and your message will be sent to as many websites you have gathered. And in just a couple of seconds, you will see that it would have already made a large number of emails. The cool thing about this tool is that although it is the operation of an emailing system, it is sending messages on a contact forum, so the response rate will be much higher than regular emails. Step 4. Reach out to the one who has responded. Out of so many messages that you have sent already, hopefully you will be getting a response from a few or at least one of those websites. Like if they say, "Yeah, we are pretty amazed by your work and we are willing to work with you for a few TikTok videos," then now is the time to cash out the thing. Step 5. Sign up for Pictorysoftware.com. Now that you have won a project that is going to earn you money, you have to create a short TikTok video for a company. Now, since all of you won't be aware about this excellent tool, so let's have a little intro. If you already know about this tool, then you can fast forward the video a little. Without spending money on expensive equipment or getting in front of the camera, scripts can be quickly transformed into breathtaking videos. Simply paste your script and Pictory Software's cutting-edge AI will search through its sizable library of more than 3 million royalty-free images, music, and video clips to create the perfect video for you. You have the option of using one of our remarkably lifelike AI voices or adding your own voice. Beware, Steven Spielberg. Transform blog posts into engaging videos. Give your website a new lease on life by turning your written content into engaging videos. Simply enter the URL of your blog post, and Pictory Software will instantly produce an incredibly engaging video by reading the text aloud, highlighting the critical points of your writing. You have the option of using one of our excellent AI voices or adding your own narration. Since Google prefers blogs with videos, Pictory Software can help you raise your rankings and watch as your readership soars. Publish captions. Surprisingly, 85% of videos on social media are muted by default. Even though adding captions increase viewership, viewer engagement, and watch time significantly, doing it manually takes a lot of time and is frequently too expensive. Pictory automatically, accurately, and cost-free adds captions to your movies. By repurposing the content of your current long-form videos, you can uncover the hidden value that is there. Although producing original content can be challenging, Pictory makes it simple. Zoom recordings, podcasts, and webinars that last an hour magically become shorter. So that's enough about Pictory Software. Now for this technique, you will take the URL of the website that has reached out to you for working with them and paste the link of that website on this tool in the section of Article to Video. And this tool will redirect you to the website and make a TikTok video automatically, which will comprise of the material that they have put up on their website. Step 6. Submit and earn. After the creation of the video, you will have the complete video. You can add audio to it, or if you want to voice over anything, then you also get the option on the Pictory Software. But the only thing you have to do 100% manually will be the submission of the project. The video created might have a few loopholes or may need a few corrections from the human perspective as it is generated by a robot. So before you head on to submit the video, go through it and make relevant changes as part of the work ethics. So now you will send them the video of their convenience. If they require particular changes, then you can also fix them from Pictory Software. You can send them the first few videos for free, and after they start to like your work very much, then you know you are in the correct position to charge money. You can also come up with YouTube videos and other types of short videos depending upon the demand of website owners. So guys, this was it. That's all for the video. I am sure most of you didn't know about this great money-making trick on TikTok. Tell us in the comments how many of you knew already. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Official Money Pill, for more outstanding online money-making videos based on simple tricks. Thank you.